Hey guys, this is George from Brand North, and I just want to give you a quick little video where I give you a tutorial. The video essentially explains how to put a notice on your website about the precautions you're taking for the COVID-19 virus. So it's very quick and easy to do, and you basically have a banner up here on your website that will let people know what you're doing if you're open and what precautions you're taking to keep your employees safe and also your customers. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. If you have a WordPress website, it will look similar to this. What you're going to do is go to Plugins, click Add New, then you're going to come up here to add the plugin. What you're going to type in is cookie notice for WordPress. All right, over on the left-hand side, it'll say cookie notice for GDPR and CCPA. We're going to install and activate. So you're going to go ahead and click that button. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side over to settings. You'll see something that says cookie notice. You're going to go ahead and click on that. All right. This is what it comes with because this plugin isn't meant for to do this. It's more meant to give people a notification about your advertising practices. So we're going to go ahead and type in, see the steps we're taking to stay safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. We're going to change this button to dismiss, and we're going to enable a link. So what this is going to do is allow anyone that goes on your site to click on the link and be directed to a page that has the policies and procedures in place that your company is taking. So we're going to type in learn more. I haven't created a page on this website yet, so I'm just going to show you how it works. So when they click this, it's going to redirect to the privacy policy. Make sure that you have self selected there, and you're going to come down and make sure that the placement is header, and make sure that the position is top, because if it's at the bottom, nobody's going to see the banner. It's not really going to serve the purpose. So you can make this any color that you would like. Change the text color. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to select blue. Go ahead and save the changes. Alright, and there you see it. It's at the very top of the website. When you click Learn More, it will be redirected to the page that you choose. It will have all of the information about your privacy policy and your COVID-19 policy. And that's it. It's pretty simple. If you guys have any questions about it or you'd like for us to do it, we're happy to help you with it. All right.